Katya with Lunar Sun Creations, and guess what time it is? It's time for the July Destash Giveaway! Yay! Okay, anyway, it's time to give some stuff away. This giveaway is going to be all baby album, little kid album inspired. The giveaway is open to anyone in North America. Unfortunately, international people, the shipping is just too expensive, especially when it's a big bunch of paper. But I have not forgotten you. This month, for any international entry, I will be giving you a chance to win one of my digital photos that are on Etsy. And you can choose which one you want and let me know and I will send you the file. I use a random picker app to pick the winners, so it's completely random. But if you could please write either North America or international somewhere in your comment down below, and that way I can type that word in and it will kind of scroll through and pick out the international people for the photo and the North American people for the other draw, and that'll make it easier for me. So to enter this draw, all you have to do is perform a random act of kindness for a stranger. I just thought that it would be a lovely thing if a whole bunch of people around the world were just doing something nice for someone they didn't even know. Buy the person behind you in line their coffee, or just give someone a nice word, say something nice to someone if they look like they're having a bad day, or buy some food and give it to someone on the street. There's so many things that you can do. Just perform a random act of kindness. Just do something nice for somebody. That's all I ask. And you don't even have to say what it is in the comments. You can just, I believe you. I know that you've done it. I just want to make people smile. So I figure if you guys are all making people smile, we're doing it together. Yay! Anyway, I will stop talking and I will show you what it is that you are drawing for. And I love you guys and I think you're amazing and I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Big hugs. Bye. Okay, so here is this month's Destash giveaway. So it's all baby and child inspired. So almost the entire, there's a few tiny pieces cut out of this, but most of it is still intact. These are all like pop-outs, like cut-aparts. Or not even cut-aparts, you don't have to cut them. They're already perforated, so you can just pop them all out. There's a lot of super cute things in here. And then here's the actual paper. So it's really cute. I just don't really do a lot of baby albums. And when I do them, they tend to not be traditional kind of baby albums. I use papers that you might not think of for a baby album, but they're super cute. Look at those clouds. So yeah, it's almost a completely intact little sheep. Oh, those are super cute. Yeah, so here is the paper pad. Alright, so that's the 12 by 12 paper pad, and then I'm also going to give the winner a 6 by 6 pad as well that has some kind of corresponding pictures. Just a lot of blue tones. Alright, so there is that. And then as well, a couple sets of stamps. So this one is actually for a girl. And then this one is a little boy stamp set. And honestly, I haven't even used any of these before. I've used a couple of the little girl, but they're pretty much brand new. Alright, so you get those. Then you also get a sticker pack. Alright, that one, and then this one as well. They're both geared towards boys, but For some reason, most of the stuff I have seems to be geared towards little boys. And then as well, I'm also going to do some stuff that's a little bit, not really baby, but more geared towards little kids. So there's like kind of like a school chipboard set. A whole bunch of different little pencils and scissors and things that you would use at school. And then a fish sticker set. I don't even know if that could be used in an album, but maybe a grandkid or something just collects stickers and would just like some shiny stickers. What kid doesn't like stickers? And then these little black and white bows that are super cute. And I'm throwing these in, not because I won't use them, but because they go so perfect with the Mickey Mouse paper. So if I'm giving you a bunch of mini paper, then you need to have some bows to go with her. So I'll kind of go through this. This is all from digital downloads. So this isn't a paper pack per se. This is a few different digital downloads that I did make an album out of, but ended up printing far too many. And I love them. I think they're super cute, but I just don't see myself making another Mickey and Minnie album. Here's the whole gang. And I love that they're kind of like vintage. They have like a vintage feel to them with the color scheme, and like the edges of them have a little bit of like, you know, the vintagey kind of faded edge. And I love that there's like perfect spots for photos as well. That one's really cute. It's like the emo Mickey and Minnie with their phones and their coffees. And then another one of those. Some of them repeat because when I print out papers, I tend to print out a lot of papers and I don't always use all of them. Okay, so that is all the Mickey and Minnie paper. And then I'm also going to throw in 3 rolls of 1/4-inch score tape. Oh, these are kind of stuck together. Oh no. There we go. Weird. So this one's coming off the roll. So three score tape rolls, 1/4-inch, because I buy them in bulk. So yeah, and they're not score tape brand. They are. It's called Yee Bin tape, but it works just as well, I find. Alright, so that is this month's giveaway. It's a good one, actually. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. So please remember, if you are an international person, unfortunately this is just for the people in North America, because the shipping's just too expensive. But if you are from outside of North America, please write that in the comments and you will be entered in to win one of my digital photos from my Etsy shop, and you get to choose which one you would like. So you are not forgotten. I am giving something to you as well. And random acts of kindness is what we are going to try to achieve. Love everyone to just do something kind for a stranger, and you will be entered in to win all of that. Awesome. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Big hugs to you. Always look for your rainbow. Take care.